Got to check this place out. So we're free camping and have a look where we are. Rosebery Golf Course in Tasmania. Right in the middle of the fairway. So this ought to be good. So one of the obstacles and the things when you're staying at the Rosebery golf course is that people hit their ball and just lands over there. So we'll just wait for the golfers to come around and we'll get a shot of them. Alright, so Rosebery Golf Course. We're set up here for the night. $10 overnight and $10 for a round of golf. So there's our setup, just there. We're in the middle of the 4th tee and the 3rd tee. We've got a par 4 and a par 4 as well. And you can see the flags down there. So we're smack bang in the middle of the fairway. So yeah, let's hope no golf balls come flying our way. Yeah, $10, $20 for the day, so I can go and get a game of golf and have a few beers and crash here. So we might stay here tonight, spend another $20 tomorrow, and get another game of golf early in the morning before we leave. Yeah, didn't think I'd be playing golf on this trip.